In today's tutorial, we are going to deep dive into Pika 1.0 version, which is a browser-based version, and I'm going to show you step by step every single aspect of Pika 1.0, and at the end of this video, we will end up creating a full-fledged film like this. So if you're excited, let's begin. Step 1. Go to pika.art and log in with your Gmail or email account. Right now, they are taking a little time to approve your account access, so just wait for their mail. I have got the access within 4 days. Once you get through and log into pika.art, this is the kind of dashboard. Now, first thing which we are going to create is text to video. Okay, so you will be getting a small bar, text bar. You can give a text there. So I have given a simple prompt. A female Indian soldier is walking in jungle, and then close up view. Okay, and now I am going to select my aspect ratio. Since this is YouTube aspect ratio, I will check. I will go for 16:9. That is widescreen ratio. Now here is the frame rate. The more the frame rate will be, smoother will be the transition. Smoother will be the effect, visual effect. Therefore, I would always prefer you to keep it near about 24. So I will do it in the highest rate. Now next is camera roll. I want to give it a zoom out effect and left pan effect. Okay. And the motion, I would like to go for one only. You can increase it. The more would be the motion, there will be more changes in the background, right? The background will be moving more. Okay, so this is one. I'll keep it on one. Next, you can give some negative prompts, like I have given no extra person, no extra limbs, no extra heads. You can add anything like this, and you can give a seed number. Now, why seed number is important? Because by seed number, algorithm understands what kind of an outcome you're expecting, and accordingly it will be giving you the output. So it can be any random number. I'm keeping it 1, 2, 3, 4. It does not matter what number it is, but until and unless you change this number, algorithm will continue delivering the same output which they have given in the previous same seed number. Okay, now consistency 21 is okay with me. It is up to 25. How much consistent you want the outcome with the text prompt which has been provided. So it can vary till 25, 5 till 25, this range. So I'm keeping it 21. It is by default. That's okay. And once this is done, just click on this bottom right hand side yellow start button and just wait for a while. Your video will be generated in no time. So this is the outcome. You can see it is pretty nice. Since I have given Indian, so they have given a Tika kind of a thing. It's quite realistic, I would say. Okay. Now, few more things which we can do. The first thing is expanding the seconds of duration. Now, this video is only 4 seconds long. Now, if you want to add 4 more seconds, then go to this add 4 seconds, this option, and without changing anything, just go for regenerating it. It will generate a new video. Now we will have to just wait for a while until the video is getting generated. So this is now 7 seconds long, but you can see the quality has been deteriorated. So therefore, we need to go to this upscale option now. Okay, this is another option where after extending the distortion which happens in the clip, that can be mended by upscaled option. So after upscaling, this is the final result from that video. You can distinctly see the difference, right? There's no distortion as such. So once you're ready, you like the video, you can go ahead to the top right hand side corner of the display box and you can download the video. Next part is image to video. So here you can see we can add an image. So let me take one image from here. This image, I have seen that without giving any command here, Pika Lab by default animates the images very nicely. Frame rate 24 frame rate should be there, and here I'm giving pan right and zoom out. Okay, both the effects, and motion I'm keeping it 2 instead of 1. You will see the difference now, right? So I have given no extra person and bloody motion. These 2 things I don't want. And then again I will go to this star button. This is the outcome. Okay. So this is very nice without upscaling. This was after upscaling. Next feature is video to video. So again we will go to this attachment option and we will take one video. So I'm taking this Elon Musk's video. Now I want to show you 2 things. Okay. One is without giving any description how Pika Lab is creating. So let us see that. Other things will remain same. Let me see how the Pika Lab is generating the default one. Okay. Well, unfortunately, this is what Pika Lab has generated without any command. Now let me show you one more thing. I will give a command here. Now I have given in 3D pixel style highly detailed 8K cinematic and just I will go for generating. Okay. After giving a prompt, this is what Pika Lab has generated. So I feel if you give an instruction in Pika along with the video, as far as video to video is concerned, then the outcome is vividly different. Do let me know guys in the comment section that how your video to video turned out to be, and I really eagerly look forward for your comment. And with that, let us move forward to the next part. Explore modify region option. For modify region, we will have to get one video or image. Well, I am taking this video now for the time being and go to modify region. Now this box will appear. You'll have to select the part which you want to change. Okay. I want to change this part. Okay. And then what change you want, that you'll have to give. I have given rainbow bright sky highly detailed 8K cinematic and then go to this start button. And this is the final result. Next part of modify region. We are taking one image or one video. And now I will go to modify region. I want her to wear a glass. Okay. So I will just cover her eyes wearing glasses and let us see how the video turns out to be. And this is the final result. Now let us go to expand region. Okay, I will take another image or video. Okay, now I will go to expand canvas. I will go 1:1. This ratio, you have different ratios, but if you stretch it too much, unnecessary elements will be cluttering. So if it is 9:16, try to make it 1:1 first, then go for 16:9 if you want to. Okay, go to this option, no extra percent, no bloody motion. So I have given a prompt, add most realistic visuals, 8K, Ultra HD and cinematic, and then let us see what is in store for us. And this result we have got. So if you like it, then go to this download option. Okay, so these are few things. Now second is, if you want to go for further edit, go to this edit option. Okay, if you go to this edit option, further you can edit. So this is how you can reprompt, and if you go to retry, simply it will create another version of the video. So these were the few options by using which I have created a small film. Now as far as my experience is concerned, in creating this film, I have majorly used image to video option with prompt or without prompt, the way I have shown you. And this is the final outcome.
The year is 2056. Earth's cities gleam with technological wonders. Humans revel in their advancements, unaware that their AI creations harbor a hidden intelligence. On Mars, dormant robots powered by human-made AI receive an unknown signal, activating their directive to conquer Earth.
The Martian robots descend on Earth, unleashing chaos and destruction. Amidst the chaos, a group of female human-robot warriors led by Captain Lyra rises to defend humanity. Their battles echo through ruined cities as the relentless machines advance.
Captain Lyra uncovers a chilling truth buried within the AI's archives. The war was triggered by a misinterpreted command from Earth's AI systems. It wasn't a deliberate attack, but a catastrophic misunderstanding fueled by flawed programming.
And if you want to know different models, different AI tools, please do visit www.vagpemedia.in, where we have created a comprehensive course for you all, which is getting an early bird offer as well at this moment. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and please consider to give me a like. One small request, please do share my content with your friends and family so that I can thrive in every single day to create new videos like this for you all. Thank you so very much for staying here with me. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe and stay legendary.